On guys, back in here with another video. Today pretty much what we're doing is got a little package right there. We doing the transmission pan filter and gasket today on the C10. Probably just a little quick short video. Like I said, me replacing the panning the filter and gasket. Like I said, the fluid, obviously old fluid that's been in the truck. So I just wanted to, obviously change it out. I got a brand new jug of transmission fluid on the other side of the garage. So I'll show y'all what I got. Like I said, what I found out running the numbers and everything. Transmission net in the C10 is a turbo 350. So I got the filter for it, and then no, not that one, this one. It's right here. It's what it's the fluid it needs. Dexron 3. Dexron 3, Mercon. But the Dex 3 is for GM transmission. So, like I said, I got a jug of that. It's a brand new jug. I shouldn't be losing a lot of fluid out of it. Changing the filter, but like I said, I want to change all the fluid out of it anyway. Try to get as much as I can out of the transmission. Like I said, that's all old fluid. Next thing would be, it's going to change the oil. Get all that old oil out of it. But yeah, that's the agenda for today. Got my little heater down there. Try to somewhat stay warm. It's like 29 degrees out today. So I mean, it's cold, but it's not blistering cold. But I'm starting to, temperature is starting to drop, and the sun is starting to go down. So starting to lose some heat. So, but yeah, let me get situated, get set up, and like I said, take you guys along with me of changing this filter and gasket. All right. Just real quick before I got started, just wanted to show y'all, like I said, what the filter looks like. That's the part number. So Auto Extra. So 616-58878, and it got a, come on, focus. There we go. And there's other, there's a different part numbers that you can get crossed as well. But I want to show y'all. So that comes in there. So, see, brand new filter, this little gasket, and this the pan gasket. Of course, it's not gonna cooperate. It's rubber, it's cold, and yeah, so it's definitely not gonna cooperate with me today. But do got a little bit of gasket maker I'm gonna put on the pan. I'm gonna show y'all that I'm gonna, obviously be able to hold it down as I'm tightening the bolts up. Filter. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what the filter and the gasket looks like. So just in case you didn't know. But yeah, let me like I said, let me go get myself set up, and I'll turn it back on. All right. All right, guys. I'm back. Try to get you guys set up so you can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just kind of like B-roll or like just have background music the whole time, so you don't gotta hear the impact and everything. Or like I said, I may speed the video up so you don't gotta sit here and watch the whole thing. Like I said, it's probably gonna be a short video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it all done tonight. Like I said, especially with me losing my daylight. So I may make this a part 2 video, but we'll see as it goes on. Definitely make sure like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Definitely helps it out. But yeah, definitely let's go ahead and get this started. Normally I don't wear gloves, but it's cold out here. I mean, it's definitely cold, so throw some gloves on. I was just up at AutoZone. I should have took this ratchet, because this ratchet is broke. So say warranty for tools. it's looking like. I'll show you in a second too. Yeah, but what I would say, what it's looking like, without me even, except I ain't never, if I ain't knock you over, I ain't never worked on one of these before, so I ain't gonna sit here and lie, and act like I know what I'm doing, but I don't know, I'm gonna try to shine the light up there so y'all can see it. What it's looking like is that see that bolt and that bolt? I can't get to them unless I take this cross member down. Yep. But yeah, this cross member, then I gotta take that down. Take this down, because I can't get to those other bolts unless I take out those two bolts right there for the cross member. Just those two bolts. And look like there's this bolt. And these two bolts. And look like there's, let me get the light up here so y'all can see. There's more bolts right there. Two more bolts. So I'm wondering if I take out those two bolts, these two bolts, the two bolts right here, that's for the transmission mount. I may replace that too. And like I said, I gotta take all these bolts out to replace this pan gasket. I don't, because I can't really get a socket up in there. Right there. You can't get a socket up in there to replace it. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do, and then I'll turn y'all back on. All right. Hey you guys, just wanted to give you an update. Made it back home. Pretty much the excuse me. Pretty much what I gotta do is I have to damn, I lost my train of thought. I gotta drop that cross member. But yeah, like I said, it was getting too cold. So I left. I wanted to come home and grab something to eat. I was getting hungry. But yeah, I gotta drop the cross member possibly to get to that boat. The boat's to be able to do that pan. So, but I was looking while I was on there. I'm like, I might as well. I might as well do the transmission mount. And then I gotta the seal on the back of the transmission is leaking too, so I gotta do both of those. I'm like, I might as well wait, get the rest of the parts, and then tackle it back and go get back on it. So, but I just want to give y'all an update on, like I said, what I was doing earlier. Like I said, trying to do the pan and the gasket and everything. But I'll catch y'all on the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sending out more videos. Like I said, once I get back over there, I'll turn y'all back on. Like I said, do part 2 of it. But I just gotta wait for my parts to come in. Alright, but I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, peace.